Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to link DSers to eBay. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I want to do that? Well, there are a few reasons. First, DSers is a great tool for finding and importing products to sell on eBay. Second, it can help you manage your orders and track your inventory. And third, it can save you a lot of time and hassle. So, if you're interested in learning more about how to link DSers to eBay, then stick around. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever tried to sell on eBay before? So, what was your experience like? If you've never sold on eBay before, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps in this video. Now, let's get started. How to link DSers to eBay. Create a DSers account. Create an eBay account. Link your DSers account to your eBay account. Import products from DSers to eBay. Manage your orders and track your inventory. Step 1. Create a DSers account. If you don't have a DSers account, you can create one for free. Just go to the DSers website and click on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Create an eBay account. If you don't have an eBay account, you can create one for free. Just go to the eBay website and click on the Register button. Step 3. Link your DSers account to your eBay account. Once you have created your DSers and eBay accounts, you need to link them together. To do this, log in to your DSers account and click on the Settings tab. Then, click on the Integration tab. Finally, click on the eBay tab. Enter your eBay username and password and click on the Connect button. Step 4. Import products from DSers to eBay. Once you have linked your DSers account to your eBay account, you can start importing products from DSers to eBay. To do this, log in to your DSers account and click on the Products tab. Then, click on the Import button. Select the products that you want to import and click on the Import button again. Step 5. Manage your orders and track your inventory. Once you have imported products from DSers to eBay, you can start managing your orders and tracking your inventory. To do this, log in to your DSers account and click on the Orders tab. You can also track your inventory by clicking on the Inventory tab. Tips for linking DSers to eBay. Make sure that you have a DSers account and an eBay account before you try to link them together. Make sure that you use the same email address for both your DSers account and your eBay account. If you are having trouble linking your DSers account to your eBay account, contact DSers support. Linking DSers to eBay is a great way to save time and hassle when selling on eBay. By following the steps in this video, you can easily link your DSers account to your eBay account and start importing products from DSers to eBay. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.